Ansary published 2 books last year, Destiny Disrupted, based on a course he's taught with us, which looks at world history through an Islamic point of view, and a novel, The Widow's Husband. He returns to OLLI with a provocative new course called Conspiracy Theory in History, Politics, and Society.
There's one thing I want to emphasize for starters. You know how there's this secret society that was born in the time of the pharaohs and controls history from behind the scenes and is around now and is linked to the Rockefellers and Queen Elizabeth and the Pope? Okay, we're not going to talk about that in this class. In this class, we're really going to talk about the evolution of this sort of idea and the people who believe this kind of crap. But we're going to do that with an eye towards the fact that, in fact, there are conspiracies that occur in the course of history, and we seem to mean something else in particular when we say conspiracy theory. You know, I read an article recently in which a police detective in San Francisco had the theory that the Weather Underground, those ones who are still around, had conspired to kill a police officer in San Francisco 25 years ago or whatever it was. And this article quoted the Weather Underground guy as saying, "That's just a conspiracy theory." And I thought, well, wait a minute. The guy is saying you conspired, and it's his theory. So you're just restating what he said. How is that discrediting it? It's discrediting it because he's evoking something we all more or less know what he's talking about. But we never kind of define that thing that we're talking about when we say conspiracy theory that isn't a theory that a conspiracy occurred. And my thesis is that although there may have been other conspiracy theories in history and this phenomenon may be age-old, here in the Western world, there's really kind of only one conspiracy theory, and it was born in the era of the late Crusades. It's been evolving ever since, and it's out there like a black hole. And whenever anyone has a theory that there's a conspiracy in play, when this invisible black hole comes by, that's when you begin to have a normal theory turn into a conspiracy theory. So we're gonna look at how this archetypal conspiracy theory evolved and how it plays out in politics in the world today. So, you know, there's one other thing I want to say. I kind of want to get people involved in talking about this when I do this class, and especially if you're a person who has some expertise in psychology, I hope you'll offer up your wisdom in this class, because I don't know much about that, but I do want to get that dimension in there too. What is the psychology of conspiracy theory?
Great.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Tamim.